Alaminos City is inviting pilgrims and tourists alike to deepen their faith with the new Our Lady of the Assumption Chapel and Retreat Hall on Pilgrimage Island at the 100 Islands National Park. Blending spirituality with nature, these new facilities promise a peaceful retreat this Lenten season. Here's a closer look at this meaningful addition to Alaminos tourism scene as Jenry Del Rosario from the Philippine Information Agency Pangasinan tells us more.
The city government of Alaminos is boosting its faith tourism with the opening of the Our Lady of the Assumption Chapel and Retreat Hall at the Pilgrimage Islands of 100 Islands National Park in Alaminos City, Pangasinan. The new facilities aim to deepen the faith of devotees while strengthening local tourism.
Ang plano po ng local government dito ay magkaroon po tayo ng monthly mass dito sa area at saka syempre po meron pong additional bisita iglesia sa ating mga bisita na pupunta dito sa 100 Islands.
In addition to the chapel, the air-conditioned retreat hall is now open for reservations and can accommodate up to 120 people. Meanwhile, the retreat house is expected to be fully operational this upcoming Lenten season. The construction of these facilities was made possible through a 19 million fund from the provincial government of Pangasinan and the support from both national and city governments. Tourism activities such as highland hopping, kayaking, helmet diving, and swimming continue to be offered in the area. With the expected influx of visitors this dry season and the upcoming Lenten season, the city government of Alaminos assured the public a safe and well-organized pilgrimage experience for all.
Yung chapel po ay magandang addition since nagre-represent po yun ng devoutness ng mga Filipino. Ito rin po yung nagpapatunay na yung culture po nating mga Pinoy ay deeply rooted sa religion.
For those interested to visit the 100 Islands, inquire at the Alaminos City Tourism Office at Lookup Wharf or message the Alaminos City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office through their Facebook page for prices and to make reservations. With the enhanced facilities of Pilgrimage Islands, Alaminos City offers a deeper and more meaningful faith experience where spirituality, culture, and nature unite. From the Philippine Information Agency Pangasinan, Jenry Del Rosario, Balitang Pambansa.